Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Videos. You can see David and me right here putting together this very cool turntable, and this is the Marantz TT15S1 turntable with cartridge. In this particular turntable, we set on a shelf in our rack that allows it to pull out so they can turn it on off and put their records on there. Very cool looking, modern. It has the motor in the back side of it that actually does not touch the whole thing, so it has no resonation from the motor. And then we also did a frame TV, which is a really cool looking room. And with this particular setup, we did some James loudspeaker installing speakers and a 10-inch power pipe sub. And we did the 10-inch power pipe sub in the middle of the rear two speakers, as you'll see right there. And it sounds really, really good and full when you're listening to anything, and even that fancy, nice record player. Thanks. Have a great choice day, and remember to like and subscribe down below.